Price of Love was the eye-opener. I looked at my family with new eyes. I thought there's more to life than just this.
It is the kind of work. It's almost like a good television show or a great book in that as you get older, you take more from it, right?
Yeah.
Lots of things. Oh, I want you so bad.
Learned about yourself through Oscar Wilde?
Well, I think the thing that I learned about myself making the movie and in the years it took to pull it all together was I think I had much more tenacity